Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to create a quiz in Microsoft Teams using Microsoft Forms and schedule it for your class. As mentioned in the previous video, the quiz uses a preset form from Microsoft Forms. To do this, go to Teams, select your class team. Open the Assignments tab and click on New Quiz. As you can see, there are no quizzes yet, so you'll need to create a new one. Click on New Quiz and you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Forms page. Add a title to your quiz to get started. Click the plus button to begin adding your questions. You'll find several options for your questions, such as multiple choice, text, rating, and more. Let's begin by creating a multiple choice question. Type in your question, then add the answer options below. Select the correct answer by clicking on the option you want to mark as correct. Assign points to the question and turn on the required option to make sure students must answer it. Add all the questions you need, then try adding a text question. You also have the option to add an image next to your question. Click the image icon, insert an image, choose Upload, select it, and it will appear next to the question. If the question requires a detailed response, enable the long answer option. Once you've finished adding all your questions, click Done to save your quiz. You'll then be taken back to the assignments page where you can schedule the quiz. Now, click on Edit Assignment Timeline to set the start and due dates. Turn on Schedule Date to decide when the quiz will be available for students. The due date is the deadline by which students must submit their answers. The close date is the final cutoff. After this point, students won't be able to turn in their quiz. Click Done. You can also set a time limit for the quiz, requiring students to finish within a limited time and then schedule. The quiz is now scheduled and it will only become visible to students at the start time you set. If any student wasn't assigned the quiz, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Forms page to manage it. Open a web browser and navigate to Microsoft Forms. Sign in using the same credentials as your school account. The quiz you created will appear on the home page. Click on it to open. Click on Collect Responses. Copy the link. Now go back to Teams, go to the chat box, select the student and send them the quiz link in the chat box. The student simply needs to click on the link, and it will take them directly to the quiz page. After a student submits the quiz, the teacher must go back to the Microsoft Forms page, open the quiz and review the responses to grade them. On this page, click on Review Answers to check student responses. Forms will automatically grade the questions with corrected answers, while you can review the long answer responses and grade them manually by typing the grade in the Score tab. To publish the results, go back and select Post Scores to share the grades with students. To prepare future quizzes in advance, you can create and save them on the form's homepage. They'll remain stored for later use. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.